What is going on, y'all? So, had a very, very exciting time, or exciting episode this time. I bought something. Yep. Got myself a kayak. I have no idea how this whole thing is going to work out, but hey, we're going to figure it out. So, here we go.
Morning, y'all. It's another beautiful West Virginia morning.
This is for real fishing. Comment, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. So, I'm on the water, first time. It's actually not too bad. I got a decent little setup here. I mean, get my stuff down there, get my shoes and my other fun stuff back there. So, we're gonna get to casting out, and I even got a brand new pole. So this is it's a great day overall for me. Yeah, so let's get to it. Also, funny story, I completely forgot to grab the plugs. So there's little holes in this, so my ass is getting soaked. So, gonna be a good time. So, introducing my new rod, my Ebu Garcia Pro Max. It's a 7-foot, medium heavy, 7-1 ratio rod. So this is its maiden voyage, and my maiden voyage on a kayak. This is a very interesting time for me. I'm gonna try my go-to lure for now. See what kind of damage I can do with it. See if I can't find my shadow tracking rope. Oh, got something, boys. Oh, got a good one. Holy. Damn. Damn, boys. Just when I thought I was gonna get skunked. So, first bass on my kayak. Good old weightless worm. Little buddy, not even a pound. There we go. So, nice little chunker. Yeah, that was fun. There you go, buddy. Alright, well, yeah, that was fun. Bastard soaked my boat, but hey, whatever. Got one out of that. Got one out. Come on. Come on. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so. Ooh. Alright, so bass number 2. Hell yeah.